everybody, it's Miss Minbrook for another week of at-home counseling lessons, and I wanted to share a special book with you. A couple weeks ago I shared this with you called Incredible You, 10 Ways to Let Your Greatness Shine Through, and so I found my other book that he wrote, Dr. Wayne Dyer, I can't say that, it was a tongue twister, Unstoppable Me, 10 Ways to Soar Through Life. And this is probably one of my favorite books. I liked his other one too, but I wanted to share that with you. So, here it goes. Number 1, you're great no matter what. You are worthwhile simply because you're alive. Never forget this and you're sure to thrive. Learn from your mistakes and you'll get stronger as you grow. Believe you'll succeed and then make it so. If you value yourself and all that you are, you'll be unstoppable, the next superstar. Over here it has little superstars. You see them? I have a part in the big school play. Unfortunately, I forgot all my lines today. Oh no. Some kids laughed and I wanted to hide, but I still believe I'm a star in the inside. So tonight when I'm standing in that brilliant spotlight, no matter what happens, I'll be all right. I like how it said, learn from your mistakes. We all make mistakes, and it's okay to make mistakes, but we have to learn from them and not keep making the same ones, right? That's how we grow. Number 2, persistence pays off. When there's something in your life that you want to do, once you begin, you must follow through. Don't give up. It's not about talent or if you are smart. It's about never quitting something you start. Don't tell yourself, I can't, or dwell on mistakes. Patience and determination are all that it really takes. Every day after school, I practice my guitar. I know I can be just as good as any rock star. I don't ever give up. My chords won't sound wrong. I play them over and over till I nail that song. My friends all say, can't you play something new? But to get where I want, I know what I have to do. So this word right here, persistence, it's the same, it means the same thing as perseverance or determination. And it means not giving up. It's just keep going, just keep swimming like Dory said, right? Number 3, welcome the unknown. Change is a good thing. It happens every day. If you learn this when you're young, it will help you on your way. Each day is different from the day before, and it sometimes feels scary when opening a new door. But if you don't fear the change and embrace it instead, life will be an adventure, and you'll look forward to what's ahead. I've always spent the summer with my best friend Shay, but this year Mom sent me to a sleepover camp, which seems so far away. I cried and I yelled, I don't know anyone. But Dad said, try it. I know you'll have such fun. And guess what? He was right. I had nothing to fear. I had such a blast that I'm going longer next year. It says, welcome the unknown. So change happens all the time, right? And we're constantly going through change. We're going through a pretty big change right now with having to stay home and do homeschool. But when we embrace it, it's like giving it a hug, right? It's like it's saying, all right, we're going to take this on, right? Number 4, you have a choice. Rely on yourself and be true to who you are. What's unique about you is what will get you far. Don't look to others to say you're okay. You know it, so believe it. Show your own self the way. Don't blame others for the things you say or do. Every choice that you make is all up to you. So when we talked about self-control this year, remember we controlled the 3 B's of self-control, right? Miss Binbrook's 3 B's. Body, brain, and behavior. And so the things we say or do, those are in our control, right? We have a choice. Number 5, farewell to worry. If you want to be unstoppable, there's something you must know. Worrying can bring you down and cause helpless feelings to grow. Just try to remember when stressful thoughts attack that positive actions on your part are the best way to fight back. So talk to someone if you're feeling blue. Tell them about your thoughts because sharing your burdens can help you through many of life's rough spots. And guys, I want you to know that even though we are far away, we can't be at the school right now, I'm here for you too. So if you need anything or you need to talk, feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help you. Worrying just brings extra stress, and we don't need that right now. Number 6, peace begins with you. If you want peace inside your heart, don't let anger in. It's just a feeling after all. It doesn't have to win. When you're mad and let it change the things you say or do, not only do you hurt yourself, but you hurt those around you too. So take your anger, let it go, and learn to rise above. Then you can create a better world, one filled with peace and love. You know, right now you're probably, if you have brothers or sisters or other people living with you, sometimes it can get a little stressful. Sometimes we might get a little bit mad. And so we want to make sure we're not taking that anger out on other people, because it doesn't just hurt you, it hurts other people too. Number 7, enjoy the here and now. Your past is now behind you and it has taught you many things. You also have your future and wonder what it will bring. All of these things to think about can cause your head to spin. So remember, this is key to happiness. Enjoy the moment that you're in. Take pleasure in the here and now. Don't always be on the run. The road you take to reach your goals should be part of the fun. And so this one is basically saying just be mindful, be here, be present. And sometimes we just need to stop and take a deep breath and just focus on what our body is feeling and what our brain is feeling, and just enjoy the moment that we're in. Number 8, almost there. Healthy me. Your body is amazing. Pay attention and you'll find your body responds to what you think, what you put inside your mind. So tell yourself often, I'm healthy and I'm strong. And if you happen to get sick, no, it won't be for long. Good thoughts and good humor are truly the best start for a super healthy mind, body, spirit, and heart. So it's really important not just to take care of our bodies, but to take care of our mind and our hearts and our souls and our spirits, like it said. We want to say positive things to ourselves. Number 9, creativity is the key. When it comes to your greatness, creativity is the key, because with it, there's no limit to what you can be. Being creative can mean so many things. It's finding your own way to meet the challenge life brings. So if you have ideas for your own way to shine, just stay true to yourself and you'll be just fine. Just don't try to be other people. Just be yourself and be unique. Number 10, what can you give? What is life full of meaning and purpose? One that's truly limit-free. It's when you learn to look outside yourself and not always think, but what about me? It means seeing goodness and beauty everywhere you turn and taking every experience in life as a chance for you to learn. It's being at peace every day with this respect for all things that live and not wondering what you can get, but wondering what you can give. Sometimes it's just a smile, right? We can give something as simple as a smile or a hug. Right now, just hug your family. We don't want to get too close to other people, but we want to make sure that we're giving to others and we're being kind and spreading kindness and love. So that was Unstoppable Me, 10 Ways to Soar Through Life by Dr. Wayne W. Dyer. I said it right that time. All right, guys. Well, this week I'm going to have a few quick activities that you can do with that book. I miss y'all. I love y'all. And can't wait to see y'all soon. So have a great week, guys. Bye.